Hey everybody, it's Patricia, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the cup song. Okay, so first step is, so go like, so do it. Then the next step is, so go, okay, so, then the next step is, so, like that. Then, yeah, nothing. Tamika, go like, so, like that. Then you go like, so clap again, so clap, then go like this, then hit it right there, then so go like, so, and then grab it with this hand, so grab it, then so, right? So you should have it by now. Well, I'll do it the fast way.